If you are a beer lover, then you know what hops are. Did you know you can grow hops in your home garden and brew your own beer? Hops are also used medicinally as a calming and sleep aid. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel where we talk about organic gardening, wildlife conservation, and nature education. Hops looks like cute little pine cones, and like a pine tree, they grow quite tall, up to 20 feet. They are easy to grow, but make sure you give them plenty of room. Commercially, they are grown similar to grapes on tall trellises. In the home garden, you can grow them on a fence or tall poles. I once grew them on a trellis next to an old shed. Hops are vining perennials that are easy to grow and do best in zones 5 through 8. They look awesome on a backyard trellis or a sitting spot in the shade. You can plant hops from seed or purchase rhizomes. Hops likes rich, well-draining soil. Add plenty of compost and dig it in well. Hops doesn't like soil that has too much clay. So if you have heavy soil, add some sand as well as compost to lighten it up. Plant hops in a sunny spot that is out of the way of other plants. Remember, in a couple of years, it's going to be tall and shading plants around it. Dig holes about a foot deep and at least 3 feet apart in rows. We do this to loosen up the soil and add our compost and sand. Backfill the hole and plant the rhizomes about 4 to 6 inches deep. Plant them horizontally with the buds pointed up and cover them with loose soil. The first year, the hop plant requires frequent light watering and mulch them with straw or wood chips to keep down weeds. If you grew hops from seed or purchased a plant, then dig a hole that's about twice as wide as the pot. This is to loosen up the soil. Place the plant in the hole and backfill. Plant it at the same soil level as it was in the pot. Don't transplant them until after your last frost. They start producing lightly the second year after planting. You will have a few flowers to harvest, but by the third year, you can harvest well. A mature plant will produce about 5 to 6 pounds of fresh cones each year. Train your young vines to go up your trellis. Vines are the twining stems of hop plants. Vines have stiff hairs along their stems, which helps them to grasp the trellis or whatever they are climbing on. Hops come back thicker each year and can become invasive. You may have to prune out vines that are too close together or getting into other garden areas. Hops have an earthy, piney aroma. In late summer, you can squeeze the flower cones to see if they have started to dry out. Since hops get so tall, you will probably need a ladder to get the vines down from the trellis so that you can harvest the cones. You can let them start to dry out on the plant. Pull off the cones and dry them on screens in the sun or in a well-ventilated room. They take a few weeks to dry. Dried hops freeze well for future use. In late fall, cut the vines back and mulch well for winter. In spring, apply a good top dressing of about 2 inches of compost. You can then use your hops when brewing beer, or hop tea is a relaxing drink before bedtime. Just pour hot water over fresh or dried cones and allow them to steep. Something to keep in mind: hops in the mash after brewing can be very toxic to dogs, so keep them and other pets away from the hops. Lastly, celebrate with friends, and toast your great harvest. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Check out my books in the description and have a fabulous sunny day.